Hi, my name is Matt Brown. I want to just create this video for you. Some of you are in my 740 and my 1740 class, and some of you are in just my 1740 section 02. Um, and you're all out with COVID or something like that. So, uh, for those of you that are in 1740, what you'll want to do is you'll want to get access to the book. So if you go to 1740.01 and then you go to content, and then in content you'll go to Redshelf, and in Redshelf you'll click on Redshelf Digital Medias, Materials. It should pop up with a book and a access code. So if you click on the access code, right here, this is the publisher access code, so you can click to copy. You can do the same thing for those of you in the 1740 class. It's the same idea. You just go to yours, you'll go materials, and then content, and then Redshelf, and then get this access code, copy it. And then for those of you in 7040, you'll then go to the 7040 page, materials, content, and you will then go to Redshelf, MyLab, and then Pearson MyLab mastering. You should scroll down to the MyLab stats, all assignments. You can click on that. That should open up something where you have to click like a accept, like their terms and agreement, and then it will have you create an account or log into an old account. Once you log into the old account and create a new account, they will then ask you for payment. The payment for the MyLab that page should look like something like this. This is where you would click on the access code, and then you would copy and paste this access code from the Redshelf. And then in the future, you will also be able to get access to MyLab from D2L. You can click on the MyStatLab here, or you can always type in mymathlab.com and then type in your username and password here, and then the course should pop up on here. So that's kind of the basics in getting in to MyLab. Once you're in MyLab, this homework is due. Technically, right now it's due on Sunday. I will extend this for all of you so that you can work on these 4 assignments longer than that. I'll probably give you an extra week. You can shoot me an email if you get stuck on something, but I think you have to take this test first, or this quiz first, before you can then take this homework. If you get a perfect score on this test, you do not need to do the homework. The homework will just fill in as all correct. And then this right here is the beginning homework for the stats, and this is a quiz over this content. So where is this content? If you go to, let's see, you want to go to the 1740. So this is in both the 1740 courses. If you go into either one, let's say, you should be able to go to materials, content, and then you should be able to go to PowerPoints, and then chapter 1 PowerPoints, and then the chapter 1, 2, and 3 PowerPoints section 1. So chapter 1, section 1, chapter 1, section 2, chapter 1, section 3. You should be able to download these or read through these and take notes on these. And this will give you an idea of the definitions that you need to learn. And you can kind of get an idea of what the vocabulary is for the homework. So these are available to you all. These PowerPoints. I'm not sure if all the videos are available to you all, but if you go into into MyLab by typing it in, instead of going through D2L, you just type in MyMathLab and log in. On the left-hand side, you might be able to click on Multimedia Library, and you might be able to get access to all the Chapter 1 material, media type, and then in this it has some exercises that they have, video exercises. They can kind of read you through some examples. and then there's also lectures here. I'm not sure if you can see this or not on your end. You can test it out. Again, this is by going to mymathlab.com and log in, and after you've done the original registering through D2L. All right, that hopefully gives you guys a good start on the content and where the homework is. There will be other things coming, but just getting into D2L, finding the PowerPoints, um, and then getting into my lab, my stat lab, to be able to do the homework. That should be enough for this next week. Let me know. Email me if you have any questions.